we fear that SBDC may not form a squeeze here. That's the biggest fear. If we were to take out these lows, oh boy, that's bad. That's just very bad. More likely than not, we're gonna go down to 0.012, sub 0.012, I would say. So it's very important in the interest of Ethereum, technically, to stay above this low. We were anticipating these lows to be taken out, and it's already been taken out. And again, we're very, very close to this low. So if SBDC takes this out, we're going much lower. So the hope is for SBDC to start going sideways and potentially start curving back up. ETH against USD. Here we are for ETH. ETH is down, is super down. We are anticipating a wave C. We're very, very close, in my opinion, to where an entry may appear for Ethereum. Right. Yeah, we were anticipating these lows to be taken out. So more likely than not, more downside for Ethereum. Where could we drop down to? Sub 1003, 1002. We may even clear all of these classes of cells before the reversal comes in for Ethereum. So as it stands, I still think that we're gonna create a nice squeeze as we break higher, as it stands. But the thing is, we're not too sure whether if we're gonna be rising at 1003 or we're gonna clear all these classes of cells, dropping down to sub 1000, maybe 990 or something before we start reversing. That we're not too sure. But in my opinion, I think 1002 is quite a good area to be making moves for Ethereum. Right, we may drop to sub 1000. So again, even for Ethereum, there's just not much clear targets. So yeah, we're just anticipating strong support if and when it breaks, if it does break 1000, right? It's also very important, it's imperative that Ethereum does not take out these lows at about 880. We cannot take out these lows, because the moment we take it out, potentially Ethereum could be heading much lower. I hope not. I hope that there's a repeat of this happening. Right, we were very, very close, and there was a noisy area over here, very small, and a strong support came in to push the price higher. So we are hoping for the strong support to come in. Again, you would know once you see the price starts rising. This is not significant yet. We should be seeing this kind of a move, right? It should be at least the Burj Khalifa type of a move, right? These are all Burj Khalifas. Burj here, Burj. So it would be great if you could see a Burj Khalifa. And then this, in my opinion, would be the sign that potentially Ethereum could be in a bullish reversal, right? So yeah, but if BTC were to drop to its level that we're anticipating, which means that let's say for example we drop here, right? This would be another 40%. Can Ethereum take another 40% towards the downside? What's 40% for Ethereum, right? 40% will be beyond these lows. So there is that danger as well. So eyes should always be on BTC as well. So we want to be very, very careful. It doesn't matter if we are late a little bit. Even if we were to take out all of these lows, right? And the rally comes in, we can always get in at a retrace at a wave 2 as we take a right for a 3, 4, and a 5. Something like that. So yeah, I'm going to assume that this is a 1, down for a 2, up for a 3, down for a 4, and a 5, right? This is a higher high. So I'm going to assume this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not so obvious, but it's still a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a wave B, right? As it is encompassed by these two support and resistance. Anyway, I still think that more likely than not, 1002, we should see strong support. If we were to break sub 1000, there will more likely than not be a very quick push back towards beyond 1000. So that's my take for Ethereum, right? I think this is great in the sense that you can buy good projects cheap. To me, Ethereum is a good project.